we're rolling.
Okay, so I have to say the fuel ox is awesome. It works great. We've been using it for years, and before that, I had to get fuel filters for the dredge at least once or twice a week. Once a week or 2 weeks. I had to get a whole set of filters. Each set of filters is 5 for the main engine, and now we can hardly go through filters at all. I mean, I'm probably getting filters maybe 5-6 months at least, you know, and stuff definitely works.
Have you noticed any difference in fuel efficiency or
I think
smoke?
It runs cleaner, less
Definitely,
smoke.
definitely runs clean.
Runs cleaner, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Like I said, I used to joke that we should buy stock in filters because I was constantly changing filters.
And he was constantly telling me
Oh
I'm always going out and getting filters and stuff, and it's a pain in the neck to change.
Yeah.
And it makes the job a heck of a lot easier.
All dredges in the canal.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, guys.
Yeah,
It's
no
nice
problem.
because it's a big job to change the filters in the main. You have to shut down production.
It's a big ordeal.
And it
Yeah.
takes a long time
Takes
to
time. And shut down. You gotta shut down. You know.
beat that guy.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, boys. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
No problem. It definitely
No.
works.
Take a look out the front there.
Got some dolphins out there. See?
Yeah.
The dolphins were just coming.